Okay, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'll be walking us through the process of changing our email address on a Facebook account. Alright, let's start. The first thing you need to do is to click on the hamburger menu, the menu. Now we are on the menu. What we need to do is to locate the settings. You can click on the settings on the top right corner, or you use the setting and privacy. So let's click on the settings icon. Now we are on the settings and privacy page. The next thing we need to do is to click on see more in the account center. Click on it. Now we are on the account center. We need to locate personal details. Here's the personal details. Now this is the personal details of this account. What we need to do is to click on the contact info. Click on it. Now this is the contact info information. This is the contact info page. This page currently contains this email address, as you can see here. So we need to change. So our goal is to change this email address to another email address. So how do we go about it? The first is to add new contact. Click on the new contact. Now the next thing is to click on add email. This is where we are going to add a new email address, the email address that we want to change to. So the new email address I'll be using, let me enter it here. So before I enter it, let me first click on the account. So the account is clicked. Now I need to enter the email address. So I'll be using different email address here. Alright, so here is the email address. So I need to click on next. Alright, so the next thing is to enter the code sent to me. A code has been sent to this email address. So I need to go to the email account to enter the code. Now you can see the code has been entered. So let's click on next. So now you can see we are told that the email has been added to this account. So we can close here. Now these are the email address on this account, and from here we can delete the old email address. So the old email address on this account, the old email address is Sukotech, and the new email address that we added is Momodu Trade. So let's delete the old email. So you click on the old email, which is the Sukotech. Click on it. So you can see you can add this email to the account. Who else can see it? Oh, now you can delete this email. Let's click on delete. So this is it. You have deleted your previous email address. As you can see, the old email has been deleted, and what we now have is the new email address that we added. So this is it. This is how to change your email address on a Facebook account. Thank you.